Hey, what's up? This is Rezwan.rono. Today I am going to show you how to partition a hard drive in Windows. So, let's get started. Go to my computer, right click on it and select Manage. Computer Management tool will show up. Now click on Disk Management. Now you can see I have two different disks, disk 0 and disk 1. Disk 0 needs a partition. Now right click on C drive and click on shrink volume. I want a drive with a space of 100 GB volume. As we know, 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. So 100 GB equal to 100 into 1024 equal to 102400 MB. Put the value here. And click on shrink. $100 GB unallocated space is created. Now right click on unallocated space, click on new simple volume, click next, then assign a letter, click next, keep it as default as it is, then click next, click finish. So a drive with 100 GB volume has been created. Now go back to C drive again, right click on it and click shrink volume. Again, we want a drive with a space of 100 GB volume. So let's put the value here, 102400. Click shrink. Unallocated space has been created. Now right click on unallocated space, click on new simple volume, click next, assign a letter, I'd go for F, click next, finish. Successfully, another 100 GB volume has been created. Repeat this step again and you can create one more partition from C drive. So my work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe and make sure to comment down below.